This is another elevator, at least a single elevator, at the Schenley Apartments, formerly the old Schenley High School, in North Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, in case fire stairway for exit. Again, this also has innovation decorator fixtures, probably either Hatfield or industrial commercial. Again, cheap floor passing directional chime, lower level. Here we go down. Indicator's out on this one, so we'll just have to watch the button go out. Elevator number 3. Here, the lower level, again, indicator's out. Bicycle storage in the garage, we'll go to 3. There, entry, go up. This one takes a little while to start up and it's rather noisy. Go 3. We'll go back down to F. 88 phone. Same caps as the main elevator here, except it does not have padding. Here, fixtures, innovation decorator. Again, either by industrial, commercial, or Hatfield, I'm assuming. 88 phone. We're back at F. Of course, that's going to be it.